Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative and close the nut. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size and adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, tap on one of these sources like photos, select the photo, adjust it and click at the top right corner. Lastly, tap on Create. Now you can apply your theme. You need to tap on it, click Enable Wallpaper, click Apply and wait. As you can see, my edges were successfully applied. But if you wanna see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then tap Yes, click on the switcher next to Draw Over Other Apps, go back and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!